Hey, you made it!
We've got a lot in store for you. Let's go!
Here, try this.
How was it? Did you have fun?
Oh, hey there. You guys can try this with me.
Hi mga Ears Loves! Look at my new cleaning device.
Come on, let's do a home workout.
Wait. Before you go, check out my new Sonos Beam speaker.
Welcome back. How was it?
No time, come here.
Check this out.
Ooh. Sneak peek on the new look.
New content.
And new tech. I bet you're thrilled to know more about smart homes.
What are you waiting for?
Hit that bell button and subscribe to Next Upgrade.
See you every Sunday.